What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I am not unboxing this. What the heck, where did I put the Ipsy? This is what we're unboxing today. This is the Ipsy for September. Let's pop it on open. These are just swatches from BOXYCHARM, so if we do any swatches, it'll be on this hand today for the Ipsy. But let's grab it. Oh, there's something outside of the bag. It's a brush. This is a Farah brush. This looks like a foundation brush. What the hell is this? What is this? There's already a bristle that's too long. Oh. That's not supposed to be that long. Gotta cut that off. But this feels really nice. It's like a matte rubberized thing. And then I don't know what this is supposed to be, but I would use it as like highlight. But right now I like a different brush a lot better that I also got from a subscription. This is the bag. Ew, it's constellations. You don't see any constellations. It's constellations. That's pretty cute. I wonder what kind of constellations these are. I think these are the zodiac signs. I only really say that because I see my zodiac sign. This one right here is pretty close to the Libra one, but these confuse me, like this dog shaped looking one, like, and there's double of them, so maybe it's not zodiac. Look at this, look at this. It's like a fake stone with a little bit of this, like, oh, is that me? Oh no, it was me. Some of like the swatches got on this and I thought it had a little hint of like pink like marbleization look on it, but no, it's just a white stone. It's a little less cute, but it's still pretty cute. Like, look at that. I have a feeling like it might fall out of here one day, but it's pretty cute as of right now. Moving into the bag, it's Find Your Light. That's pretty cute. September is all about new paths and possibilities, so whether it's going all out with a bold new lip shade or masking at home. To recharge from within, take a moment to rediscover your guiding North Star. Where will it lead you? Discover yourself. Well, sorry. Hashtag discover yourself. And then, you know, everything in here. What's the brush supposed to be? Oh, I just realized they have everything in here. Normally it kind of just like throws all the stuff at you without explaining anything. This is supposed to be a contour brush. I mean, I guess it's like, it seems too like packed in to be a contour brush, but it's pretty loose if you actually feel the bristles, so I guess so. Let's jump on in. What is this? Skin Iceland Solutions for Stressed Skin Icelandic Youth Serum with Red Algae. Oh, I like serums. I just need to know what's in here so that I don't use it with my own skincare and then it like counteracting. I'll use it on one of the days where I don't use any other serums. The next thing in here, oh, there's a box. This is the Murad Hydro Dynamic Ultimate Moisturizer. I think I've gotten this before, yes. You know why I know I've gotten this before? Because look how big this box is. So you expect the product to kind of be this big and then... Yeah, I've gotten this before. I remember this. But I won't be opening that. I already own it. Oh, there's another box. But there's also something really flat in here, so let's hold that. Oh, this was just supposed to be on there. 2 more items. The box is the Velvet Pressed Eyeshadow Phase 0 makeup. So, let's take a look on... Okay. Oh, does that look like a dupe? Let's find out. Wait, I put that on the wrong finger. Also, there's a little mirror in here. Isn't that cute? Proceeding. Move the hair tie out of the way. The hair tie left an indent, so how do I compare these? This one's a little more pinky, the one in the Ipsy bag. Can you see that? They're pretty damn similar. They both have like a speckle of a lighter purple shimmer in them. This one's a little bit lighter in the purple shimmer, and it's a little bit pinker. Like, you know how red and blue make purple? It's got a little more red than this one, but they're pretty damn similar. I just don't know how much this would cost. I don't know which one's cheaper, which one's the dupe. Rolling into the next product. I guess it's the last product, actually. This is, ooh, it's from Ofra in its full size. I love Ofra lip products. This is the Madison Miller lip gloss, Smiley for Riley. It's definitely not a color I would use. Let's try to lip top this. Top the lip. It's pretty as a lip topper. I've never used an Ofra lip gloss before. I just used their liquid lipsticks, which I love. So it doesn't have much color on its own. It's pretty sheer on its own. Like I said, lip topper is probably what I'm going to use it as. I have it right here. So it is pretty shimmery. Feels really lightweight on the lips. I don't feel like I'm carrying around a gloss on my lips right now. But also I do use a lot of lip gloss. So I'm pretty used to the fact that, you know, your lips all glassed. I think it's really pretty with this lip combo that I have. I actually have an Ofra. Oh my god, I have two Ofra lipsticks on right now. I have Verona, and then I have a darker like plum shade in the inner part of the lip. And then now I have the Ofra lip gloss on it. Wow, I'm wearing 3 Ofra lip products at once. Sponsor me. Yeah, that's pretty exciting. I do like this. I thought I would be scared of it because of the color, but it works really well as a lip topper, it looks like. So I'm pretty happy with this. What are the products we got? Oh, I always love brushes in any makeup subscription because I'm too lazy to buy my own brushes. Finding out what's like worth the money with brushes, and I just need to cut this one off because for some reason it's much longer than the other ones. So I just need to cut that one bristle off and then we're good to go. I do really like serums, but I typically like serums that like specifically have like an active ingredient in it. I guess this has the red algae in it. It doesn't say anything about that here. Healing ingredients sourced from Iceland like glacial water, cranberry seed oil, and Arctic cloudberry. Does that exist? To address dullness, dryness, uneven skin tone, and premature aging. Tip: after cleansing, smooth the serum all over your face and neck, morning and night. Follow with your favorite moisturizer. Don't be alarmed by its red tint. This stuff won't stain your skin, so it's very red, I guess. I guess I can use this in the mornings because I'm using a retinol right now about 2 to 3 times a week, and I use it at night, so I can use this on the days that I don't use it and or on days where, on mornings, sorry. I don't want to waste it. There's not much in here. Me tries to get a tiny amount on, gets like a decent amount on. It's actually pretty dang red. That's like red. Alright, that's kind of the end of it. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you guys next time.